Let's quickly open this package and take a look what I have got inside. I think this time I have got Machinist X99-K9 motherboard, which is supposed to be of the second revision. I have already reviewed this motherboard once on my channel, and at that time the motherboard had broken smart fan, but now people online are claiming that the smart fan issue was fixed and it is working. That's why I have bought another one for me to test. And we can see that the seller did not add any bubble wrap at all. The motherboard comes just in plain box like this, but they have got a new box which looks pretty nice, I would say. And at least here they have written the logo correct, but here it is with a typo. So let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. Inside we have got SATA cable as usual, this kind of some sort of a receipt, the IO shield, and the motherboard itself. The motherboard is not protected at all, it is just lying on this bubble form or something like that. So if your post is not as good as mine post, the motherboard may come damaged. So what do we have here? Here is the motherboard itself. Looks pretty nice, feels pretty nice. We still have 2 USB, or rather 4 USB 3, 4 USB 2. These are SATA 3. This one is not blocked here, but you can see here they can't even spell machinist correctly. The BIOS chip here is unfortunately soldered socketed BIOS chip, so it will be a pain to read or write with the CH341A. But other than that, the motherboard seems to be very nice. Of course, I need to take this off and check if the socket is correct, because that's what you have to do when you're buying motherboards from AliExpress. And if the socket is damaged, you need to complain to the seller immediately and open a dispute, because otherwise you will lose your money. So let's accurately and carefully remove this one, this lid, and see if we have any damage on the socket. At least right now I don't see any damaged pins on the socket, so it seems to be all good. I plan to install i7-5820K on this motherboard and do some testing, because this is one of the last Chinese X99 motherboards which is actually coming with the X99 or C612 chipset. Thus I can overclock my i7. For now, that's probably all I can say. Bye bye.